The Institute for Telecommunication Sciences plays an important role in measuring the quality of experience of telecommunication systems. ITS's quality of experience research develops new methods to assess speech intelligibility and video quality. This video series explains how telecommunication technologies impact user experience. In our previous video, we described the science of videoconferencing. This video explains how to improve the quality of your videoconferencing calls by understanding the underlying technology. These tips will mitigate the bulk of your audio and video problems. If you have an important live event, practice with the videoconferencing software before the event. Have a friend lower their display resolution to 1366 by 768 and record your presentation. This will show how much the videoconferencing system will degrade your presentation during the live event. The videoconferencing software you choose is important. If you have audio quality or video quality problems, don't assume network congestion. A different videoconferencing software might work better for your situation. If you want to show someone a video without the impairments that a conferencing system might add, then upload the video to a suitable website and provide a link using the chat function. Position the microphone closer to the desired audio source and farther from the undesired audio sources. In some cases, this will be easier to do with an external microphone instead of the built-in microphone. Moving to a different room could also help. The speech codec may have difficulty with background noise that you don't notice or can't hear. Your device's default audio settings are not always the best for your current situation. You can sometimes make the audio sound better by adjusting levels or by turning on or off the various audio processors or enhancers that may be available. For example, noise cancellation might occasionally mute your voice as well as the background noise, making your voice cut in and out. In a Windows system, right-click on the speaker icon on the taskbar to see some settings, but be aware that your video conferencing software might have additional audio settings. When you share your desktop, you are streaming video. Fonts that are easy to read on your monitor are often corrupted and illegible on the recipient's monitor. Be proactive. Increase your font size by 200%. When you edit a document, read email, or browse the web, you see perfect text like on the left side of this image. Your device can do this because the underlying software says, "Draw an A," and your device knows how to draw a perfect letter A. Video compression works very differently. The underlying software divides the image into small squares and describes each square's motion and texture. This isn't a great way to describe letters. In addition, the image resolution will probably be reduced, either by the transmitting device or the receiving device or both. The text may have some irregularities, like shown on the right side of this image. You have probably already noticed that when everyone turns off their cameras, the audio quality improves, but there is a halfway point between all and nothing. You will probably not be able to tell the software that the audio quality is more important to you than the video quality, but you can create visuals that will naturally look better when viewed over a video conferencing system. This is critical if you want to stream music because it needs more bandwidth than speech. To simplify your visuals, limit yourself to slides with scene cuts. Avoid fades and other fancy transition effects. Wear solid colors, avoid striped shirts, and sit with your back to a plain white wall. Check your self-view and adjust your lighting before connecting. Windows in the background are a problem for video conferencing systems because sunlight is much brighter than indoor lights. All cameras work better in bright light, and most indoor areas are dimmer than your camera's ideal operating conditions. Poor lighting creates more problems than just making you hard to see. In low light, your camera will produce shifting patterns of noise that your video conferencing system will try to reproduce. This will consume bandwidth and make the video look worse. Using video conferencing is like putting on makeup without a mirror. You can't see or hear the problems your system creates for other people. You will need to work together, describe the problems you have, and make changes until the quality improves.